Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss Imelda. Good morning, friends. We were from group 2, and now we want a presentation about interlanguage pragmatics. So let me tell you about a member of group 2. The first, Pikantri Budianti. The second is Timothy Shakespeare Nawan. The third, Raldi Putra Deanwidi. The fourth, Adila Dwi Rasti. The five, Deswita Septia Putri Pardosi. Six, Putri Apriyani. Seven, Tantri Aini Najwa Surya. Eight, Umi Aziza Fitriani. Nine, Lutfia Bina. And the last, Manuela Denisa Putrianto. So the first slide is about research question read by Pikantri Budianti.
Okay, thank you, Deswita. Research question. What studies show evidence of pragmatic development in the learner's ability to root behavior? Research show proficiency effect with the higher proficiency group using more aggressive strategies. For example, initial threat criticism and persisting strategies. For example, arguing than the lower proficiency group, which show a preference for aggressive strategies. For example, apology and thanks.
Research gap. For example, Levinson, 1983, adopts an inferential view of pragmatic, meaning for this author, pragmatics is concerned with detailed inference about the nature of the assumption participants are making, and the purpose for which utterances are being used. Next, Yule's definition of pragmatics is concerned with meaning as communicated by a speaker or writer and interpreted by a listener or reader. Yule 1996, Crystal 1997 defines pragmatics as the study of language from the point of view of users, especially of the choice they make, the constraints they encounter in using language in social interaction, and the effects their use of language has on other participants in the act of communication.
Definition of ELP. Pragmatic is a branch of linguistics that studies the relationship between the context outside the language and the meaning of speech through interpretation of the situation in which it is spoken. In linguistics, pragmatics is a part of semiotics. The principles in pragmatics include the synthesis between study, intent, and speech, while the aspects involved in pragmatics are elements of language speakers, and language estimators.
Theoretical basis. LP has been influenced by theoretical and methodological approach to examine the production and comprehension of pragmatic meaning, speech act theory, conversational, implicator, linguistic, politeness, and cross-cultural pragmatics.
Theoretical basis. The intersection of pragmatics and the second language acquisition SLA. ILP is an interdisciplinary field that has been studied from a variety of theoretical, analytical, and methodological perspectives focus on the L2 pragmatic system, in particular on the learner's ability to generate and understand linguistic and nonverbal action in communicative settings.
Theoretical basis. Research in L2 implicatures shows that beginning learners are less able to understand and use implicatures in the L2. Instead, they comprehend and use utterances that are direct illocutionary. Forced implicatures require more knowledge and linguistic skill from the L2 learner on all levels. Examples: vocabulary, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. The authors adopt the CA framework to examine two aspects of learner interactional competence when responding to interviewers' questions, combining CA notions and interactional competence in the context of SA in Spain. Dings 2012 observed the participation and growth in conversational skills by one Spanish learner over the course of a year in Spain, detailing longitudinal change in patterns of
Data. Pragmatics can be analyzed from two perspectives: the cognitive philosophical view or Anglo-American pragmatics, and the social-cultural interactional view or European continental pragmatics. Under the first view, pragmatics is defined as systematic study of meaning by virtue of or dependent on the use of language. Huang 2014 4.
Within this view, pragmatics is considered to be one of the components of the mental grammar, similar to phonology, morphology, semantics, or syntax, and includes topics such as lexis, speech acts, reference, presupposition, and implicator. In contrast, under the second view, the sociocultural interactional perspective, pragmatics adopts a functional perspective on all core components and infinite areas of linguistic and beyond. 120 and 14 and 5.
Findings. Early studies on stage of development, at least 1,992 at home exposed in academic context. First, minimal request realization context dependent. Second, an analyst routines and direct requests used as formulas. Third, unpacking routine formulas. Findings. Achiba 2003 in a classroom exposed in social context. First, frequent use of formulaic utterances. Second, formulaic non-formulaic use of language. Third, pragmatic expansion, an increase to express requestive intention and in the use of conventional indirectness. Fourth, fine-tuning of request.
Conclusion: interdisciplinary field of interdisciplinary study at intersection of pragmatics and second language acquisition, or ASLA. ILP, like SLA, is an interdisciplinary field that has been studied from various theoretical, analytical, methodological perspectives. This chapter focuses on the L2 pragmatic system, specifically on the learner's competence. Pragmatics can be analyzed from two perspectives: the cognitive philosophical view, or Anglo-American pragmatics, and the socio-cultural interactional view. The field of ILP falls under the second area since it examines linguistic action, taking into account cognitive and sociocultural aspects.
Conclusion, pragmatic has been defined from various perspectives. Levinson 1983 adopts an inferential view of pragmatic meaning. Yule's definition of pragmatics is concerned with meaning as communicated by speaker and interpreted by a listener or reader. Research on pragmatic development and use can be included under ILP, but not all studies of ILP belong to L2 pragmatics. ILP focus on the production and comprehension of pragmatic meaning in an L2 speech act, deixis, reference, speak act, sequence in written and spoken discourse.
That's all from group 2. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.